Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to add any indicator to Tradingview. Do you want to supercharge your Tradingview charts? Adding an indicator is the first step. First, you need to open the chart you want to work on. At the top of your chart, click the Indicators and Strategies button. I repeat, open the chart you want to work on. At the top of your chart, click the Indicators and Strategies button. It looks like a small chart with a plus sign. This is your gateway to every tool. A new window will pop up. This is the indicator searcher menu. You can browse the categories on the left, or much faster, just type the name of your indicator in the search bar at the top, like RSI, VWAP, or Bollinger Bands. Click on the indicator's name from the search results to select it. Click the Add to Chart button. The indicator will instantly appear on your chart. You can then click the Settings cog next to its name to customize the input parameters, style, and visibility to fit your strategy perfectly. And that's it. You have successfully added an indicator. Now you can analyze the markets with more power and precision. Do not forget, you click Indicators and Strategies, search for your indicator, and click Add to Chart. Hope you found this video helpful.